Okay, this is the parking lots of the apartments where I live. Oops, sorry about that. Got my finger in there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining again. Now, depending on how bad it rains is how this parking lot's going to look in a few hours. Now, as you can see, they've taken some precaution and pulled off the sewer cover, because this is what gets backed up right here. But if a lot of rain is coming down, it's going to get backed up anyway. And as you can see, this thing looks like a freaking bowl. Oops, it's going to shake a little. I'm walking. And here is another place that usually gets flooded. Let me show you. Last time we had a flood was 2 Fridays ago, I think. And there was water in here. And it pushed out the bottom of the door there. So, as you can see, the car's up there already. Some of us are going to put ours up at the SEPTA station once it closes. Yep. Someone coming through. Gotta watch it. Yeah, definitely raining. That car put off a lot of fumes. Sorry, don't mean to get my neighbor's car in there. And the road end. More sewers. This will get all backed up as well. As will the intersection up there.